free audio library.
What's up and welcome to another video where I'll be teaching you the Jamaican Patois. In this episode, I'll be teaching you how to tell somebody see you later. In the English, see you later. But the Patois is little more. Little more. Or you say see a little more or later. Alright? So remember to slow down the video and you learn how to say little more or later. Alright? So I hope that you learned something today. See you in another video where I'll be teaching you another Jamaican phrase in the Jamaican Patois. Alright? This has been your boy Kenny. Peace. I'm out.